In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily use the demo trading feature on the platform CoinEx. If you want to get the best sign-up bonus possible on CoinEx, you simply have to go down to the first link in the video description. Then you will get to exactly this page right here, and you can get up to $100 of bonuses. And over time, they often have different events running where you can get cashbacks and additional bonuses that you're automatically qualified for. To create your account, simply enter your email address right here and set a password or use one of those options, and then you're ready to go. If you already have an account, you can still enter a code within 7 days after your sign up by simply going up here to your account settings, then go to account overview, and then you will see this forgot to enter referral codes. Click on click to enter, and then simply enter the invitation code CTG, and then you will still be able to qualify. Once you have created an account and you log in for the first time, you will get to this page right here, and to now directly get to the demo trading feature, you simply go up here to futures and then click on demo trading. Then you will get to the demo trading page right here. And as you can see, it all looks exactly like the normal futures trading platform, and you will have all the features that you can use right here to open your trades. If you open your account on CoinEx with a link down from the video description, you will also automatically be able to receive up to $500,000 of demo funds if you just click on receive demo funds right here. And you will then be able to use that money to quickly open trades and try out the entire platform without any risk and without having to use your real money for it. So I highly recommend you to check that out first. If you need more tutorials on how all these features on CoinEx work, I have many more videos about CoinEx on my channel. Don't forget to pick up the best sign-up bonus possible by creating an account with the first link down from the video description. Or if you already have an account, go to your profile and enter the code CTG to still be on board. And if you have any other questions, always feel free to ask them in the comments.